I'm with Daisy and Clare from Balfour Beatty. Balfour Beatty, of course, probably the most famous name in engineering, one of the most famous names in engineering. So let me ask, Daisy, why are you here today?
So we're here because we've got lots of projects coming up in the Teesside area. So basically we want to promote the construction sector and all the different roles in it to students really of all different ages.
Do you need more? Well, I suppose you need. Engineering kind of has a bad reputation in terms of the way it hides. There was always a sort of like men do engineering. But that's definitely changing, isn't it?
Definitely, and we want to encourage more people to do all kinds of different jobs. So even just talking to the students while they're playing with the Lego, we're talking about quantity surveyors and engineers and project managers, but marketing and all kinds of different roles, not just the engineering.
That's it. I think changing the image of engineering is really, really important.
Absolutely.
And there's no better way of doing that than playing with Lego. So also, today's about trying to achieve net zero, and I'm looking at your sign up there and you've got lots of wind turbines. How do you get that message across? Like or do you need to get that message across?
Yeah.
Presumably kids are already on board with that.
Yeah, well we need to sort of promote what we're doing and what the new sort of technology we're bringing out to promote net zero, and we've got lots of different sort of hybrid equipment and things like that, and we want kids to sort of really get involved with that message, and kids are really interested in it, as you said, so we want to promote that and get that across.
Well, it's another creative challenge, isn't it? It's no good just building a building.
Yeah,
You've also got to think about, well, how are we going to build this building so it's fit for the future?
Absolutely. So we've come up with a bit of a sustainability challenge today where students can scan our QR code, so we haven't printed anything.
All right, how do I do that? So I'm going to scan your QR code.
That's going to take you to our webpage.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, it's taking me to your webpage. It's offered me a job already at Balfour Beatty.
Excellent.
150,000 a year. Perfect. Company. Oh, Balfour Beatty Sustainability Challenge. So what do we have to do here for this?
So
Tell
we're
us.
asking schools when they go back to the classroom once they've finished the event today to create a sustainable site setup. So think about when we move our offices from site to site,
Yes.
whether we need to think about plant and how we're powering it. Are we looking at solar power? Are we harvesting rainwater? What can we do? So we want them to design it on an old cereal box or some cardboard, build it out of recycled materials, and then send us a link and let us know how they go on.
That is brilliant. It's all about problem solving, and it's all about thinking holistically as well. It's all about. You've got some wonderful structures here.
Yeah. So this is some that the students have made earlier. So we've got a factory here, we've got a wind turbine that's fell off a little bit. But
Nice. We'll forgive them for that, yeah.
We've got some bridges, so what we're trying to do is get them to be really creative when they're thinking about it and build lots of different things that we might build as a
Listen,
company.
have a good day.
Thank you.
All 3 days. How long are you here for? You're here for the full...
all 3 days.
It's going to be chaos.
Yeah.
It's like 3,000 kids are going to be playing with Lego and screaming and everything. It's going to be crazy, but it's great. But lovely to meet you. Thank you very much indeed.